it needs to be signed by some grade of lawyer and technically, right? But what actually happens, you will have some people sitting in front of courts or sitting near the shops near the court. Like in Karachi, you can find those kind of people in Civic Center, in Malir, near Malir Court. There will be people sitting. They will be wearing coat. They will have printers, but they may even not have a shop. They will be sitting near a tree just to get shade. But they can make affidavit for you. So you tell them what you want them to write, but it is your responsibility to check spellings, because remember, these people will make a spelling mistake a lot. So you need to counter check everything you're spelling of your father, mother, whoever is the primary, affidavit person in that. I think it can be your mother or it can be your father. You give the NIC to them, right? They will just, write whatever you want it to. Stamp will already be there of the, of the judge, that is ultimately the attestee of the filed affidavit. Just make sure there is no spelling mistake. But if you come with a spelling mistake to Indonesia or Ministry of Foreign Affairs, they may reject it. Then you may need to make again. For Ministry of Foreign Affairs, once you have that ready and other documents ready which needs to be attested, in Karachi you go near FTC or Main Shara Faisal. Just go there very early in the morning, around 8 a.m. Near the gate, there will be many agents who will ask you to help. You don't need their help. Just go inside, right? Just go inside, take a ticket number. Worst case scenario, you will have something missing. They will guide you on the counter to what to bring next time. Just use that. The agents that are sitting in front of the FTC, what I know about them, they will get you your stamp but take a lot of money. But the problem is, the stamp that they give you, it is not registered in the central database. So it may be rejected in Indonesia or any other country. So unless you don't know how to do it, but every educated person can do it, so do it by yourself. I went there without knowing anything, so ultimately I was able to do it within 1 day. Only thing is, the affidavit is from your mother or your father. They will ask that person to come with you too, because the affidavit is so-called written by your mother. So they want the mother to be there to say that she is okay with this document. That's it.
That would be all. I hope this information could help you. Thank you.